Lately we've been really focused sa album and focusing on our upcoming project, Tony and I. So I'm very, very excited for that.
Isa pa yan. Isa pa yung pag-uusapan natin. Dahil sa wakas, magbabalik na ulit sa big screen. Okay, sige. Ito muna tayo sa song, which you just performed. Thank you again, by the way. Okay, so yung song na yun, Like You, is part of the album na Like You rin.
Yes.
So baka maguluhan kasi ng mga tao na, album ba siya o kanta?
Key track actually siya. So, for those who don't know, the title of the album is Like You. And we wanted the title, can I explain the title? We wanted the title to be Like You is because we want people to be able to relate to the music like that we release. Like, it's just like you, And hopefully they find inspiration once they listen to the music. Na parang, there's no one like you.
Oh, yung pala yun.
Yeah.
Okay, so doon naman tayo sa song.
Yes.
Like You. Okay, so what is it about?
It's about your admiration for someone or partnering towards yourself na there's no one like you. You're unique, you're beautiful, and wala ka ibang katulad. Ganun. Yes.
So, nung narinig ko yung, kasi panalig ko yung buong ng album, medyo ganun talaga yung vibe doon na happy, chill, ganun siya eh. So, ito na ba yung, dito ba yung direction ng music na gusto mong pagbabago mo ba? Or was it suggested to you and you liked it? Or ikaw yung nagsabi nito?
We really wanted to opt for like a different tone. Like I'm still finding my voice kasi sa music. Every day we still learn. So parang this is something that I've always wanted to do. This type of tone, this type of genre na medyo light ganyan. But hopefully when the song we put out there, hopefully it inspires people. That by the end of the day, that's our goal naman talaga. But we wanted to make it different from my previous album. Kasi my previous album, medyo siya, diba? Medyo parang mellow, medyo mahinhin. Ito kasi parang, ito yung na-imagine ko, pinapakinggan ko kanta sa kotse pag nagta-travel ako. Very ganun siya.
Easy listening siya.
Yes.
Easy listening. Tapos meron pang isang song, wait, ano nga yung title? Parang nasa may dulo. Parang naman siyang pang-ending ng concert. Tinandaan ko yun eh. Parang siyang, alam mo yung last song ni Taylor Swift sa last tour niya? May ganun siyang vibe. Kasi parang pa-confetti na, parang ganun na siya.
Yun.
Saan na yun? I think it's Pintuan ba? Or Get Out? Kasi hindi ko maalala. Kasi isa doon, ang dami niyang vibe. Parang ang dami mong ma-i-imagine habang pinapakinggan yung buong album. So, hindi naman natin isa-isa kasi 8 tracks doon. But, may we know, ano yung parang pinaka-favorite mo or you want to tell us about? Aling track?
Hero naman. May LSS ako sa Like You.
Okay.
Ang meaningful for me is Pintuan. Because the story is so nice. Like, once you listen to the music, ang ganda. Parang ilang beses tayong sasaraduan ng pintuan. Pero may isang pintuan na para sa atin.
Yeah.
Which is sobrang ganda ng meaning. Ayun. Nowhere Now Here because, it talks about faith. I feel like when I sang that song at least, parang it's like Nowhere Now Here. I'm nothing without you. Ganon yung story niya. Pero ang hirap kasi, ang dami talaga. I love all the songs.
Okay, ako na lang pipili. Yung magdadala, yun yung gusto ko dito.
Ayan! Oh my gosh, ang ganda nun. Very siya, parang rom-com. Diba? Kilig. When you hear the song, very kilig.
Sa mga hindi pa nakakarinig, sige, tell us about magdadala.
Ano siya, parang sabi ko, first time ko kumanta ng ganito na music, na song. Ang galing niya, parang it's you and I against the world. It's that type of music, which is so nice. Parang, and it's so hard kasi to translate our emotions through music. Pero this one, parang every word of the song, nandun siya eh.
Yes, ang dami talaga magagandang lyrics dito sa album ni Belle. So, who did you work with for this album?
Of course, Star Pop, my Star Pop family, sina Sir Rox, Trisha, oh my God, si Seska, sila talaga. Grabe kami sa studio. Alam mo, we're working but we don't feel like we're working because we just really enjoy each other's company. And that's what I love whenever we do like sessions like that or sobrang tutok and super collaborative namin. And siya, it's a teamwork talaga.
Diba, alam mo, nagulat kami kasi parang ang busy-busy mo. Ang dami mong ginagawang projects, tapos meron ka pang mga endorsements. Like, one glimpse at your social media accounts, makita mo na doon na ang dami mong ginagawa. So, saan mo nasingit itong paggawa ng album? Like, how was the recording process like? Was it in between, mga ngarag na photo shoots and everything?
We actually recorded this last year pa. And sabi namin, when's the right time to release this album? Kasi supposedly, tama po ba? Last year pa dapat i-release tong album. Pero, blessing in disguise, we released it ngayong Love Month. Diba? So, ang ganda niya kasi, ayun, parang we just, sorry.
Di ba, saan mo na isingit at mag-record?
Ano naman, parang sabi ko, I will always find time to do music. Because I love doing music. It's a way for me to express myself and, such as acting, di ba? We have different ways to express yourself. And ang ganda kasi parang parang naging personal diary siya ng composer.
Yes, yun nga. Tapos, syempre, ang next question ng mga tao, since nag-album ka na, you've done successful concerts before. Pero gusto mo na rin ba na mag-concert dahil may bago kang album?
Ano naman? Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam. Pero hopefully, syempre pag nag-concert kami, we really want to be equipped. Talagang different siya sa previous concert namin. Syempre, deserve nila yung best. So, I'm just so excited if ever mangyari man yun, why not?
Yes, okay. So, now that medyo nakapag-warm up na tayo, it's time to open the floor for questions from our friends from the media. Siyempre, bigyan natin sila ng chance to ask you a question. So, are we... Okay, sige. Tawagin natin ang ating first friend from the media, from Push, ABS-CBN, Aliana C. de Guzman. Palakpakan po natin si Aliana C. de Guzman from Push.
So again, congratulations, Belle, for your new release. So for the longest time, we've known you as a great artist. So ngayon that you're continuing your musical era, how do you prepare? Like as a music artist, is this different from being an actress? So paano ka nagpe-prepare? Do you practice at home? Do you take music lessons? Ganyan. Sabi mo nga rin kanina parang collaborative paggawa ng album eh. So paano?
Well, for me kasi, I grew up using the video okay. Parang yun yung naging practice ko po, totoo lang. As in, laking video okay talaga ako. So parang hindi siya nawala sa akin na I've always wanted to pursue music. Sobrang iba niya sa acting kasi feeling ko sa acting kasi meron ng character, nakaplot yung story ng character mo, alam mo na yung pupuntahan. Pero yung sa music kasi, ikaw yung magna-navigate ng story mo on your own, which is so nice na, yun nga po, like what I said earlier, para siyang nagiging diary. And ang ganda kasi nung thought na we're able to translate our emotions through music. And I've always loved the idea. And syempre, yung karaoke dreams ko. Ayun po.
Tuloy na Pinoy na pinalaki.
Oo,
no?
karaoke talaga.
So for you, parang ano yung mas mahirap sa tingin mo?
Pareho po. Parang syempre may sarili-sarili silang challenges kasi syempre pag acting, mata. Pero dito kasi, even when you're singing, nararamdaman pa rin yung emotion. So for this album, since happy yung album, happy kami lang mag-recording.
Do you have any inspiration in this specific album? Sabi mo nga, happy tong album na to.
Yes.
So do you have someone ba or something? Inspiration?
I think more than inspiration, we wanted to focus on the relatability of the album. We wanted people na those who listen to it will be able to relate to it and take inspiration, di ba? Love is a universal language po. So, parang gusto lang namin na yung listeners namin, they feel kilig, they feel love, and that's the tone of the album.
Did you also write a specific song?
Naku, wala po. Hopefully, gusto ko. I really want to. Sabi ko nga, sana matutunan ko talaga. And if there's one thing I wanna learn, it's to write talaga song. Nagsulat na ako before, dalawa. Pero kasi, I think that's still something I'm trying to learn. Kasi ako, magaling ako, nag-umpisahan ko siya, hindi ko siya matapos. So sabi ko, aralin ko pa. But hopefully, sana this year, maybe, sana makatapos po ako ng kanta.
And for my last question, any dream collaboration? Sinong artist yan? Local, international?
Oh my gosh, Olivia Dean. I love Olivia Dean. Olivia Dean, I love her songs. Parang ganun nga rin yung vibe ng album, di ba? Very light. And ang ganda kasi ng music niya. Alam mo yung napapangiti ka pag napapakinggan mo. Ayun po yung gusto namin.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Thank you so much, Kuman. By the way, yung mga, tinanong ko rin ito kanina, the people you worked with dun sa album. Of course, we have the Jonathan Manalo,
Yes!
Rox Santos, Trisha Denlis, as you mentioned. Kaya, ang gaganda rin talaga ng song.
Grabe sila, grabe yung utak nila, no?
Bigatin ito. Okay, thank you. And now, on to our next question. Sino ba ang next natin magtatanong? Okay, we have Biggs! Palakpakan tayo!
Hello po! Long time no see!
Hi, Belle.
Hello po.
Congratulations. Ano pa kanda mo pag kumakanta ka nag-record ka lang? So, kasi, baga hindi ko yung sa acting na nakasanayan na. Ano yung fulfillment na nadala mo?
Pag nasa studio kami, ang saya niya, sobrang nag-enjoy po ko. Pero pag live, pero like yung kaba ko kasi rooted siya sa parang, ay nakakatuwa, napapakinggan na ng tao yung music. And I'm just so happy. Siyempre, you know, this is something talaga na I've always wanted. Kami talaga parang when we were looking at listening to the songs na parang sabi namin, ano kaya magandang ano ngayon, feel na, you know, with everything that's happening, we want to put something out there na very light and very, very gentle sa puso natin. So, syempre nakakatuwa po. And hopefully, sa mga makikinig pa po ng music, sana yun yung message na mapalating namin.
How do you handle yung nervousness? Yung paano mo inaano yung nervous mo?
Hindi ko rin alam po eh. Paano ba? Hindi, ang tinatawa mo na lang. Na-enjoy ko rin po kasi siya eh. Na-enjoy ko rin po yung moment. So parang naglalaban yung takot and yung enjoy. Pero lagi naman po happy. I'm really happy na I'm able to sing it live.
Yes, and we love it din.
Ay, thank you po.
Makakanta.
Thank you po. Sana na-enjoy niyo po yung song.
And of course, siyempre, alam naman namin na may upcoming movie ka. Dito ba, ikaw yung kakanta ng team song?
Ay, pwedeng suggestion. Pwede niyo po sabihin sa mga. Pwede naman. Why not?
Ano ba yung duet ni Dolly sa movie?
Wala po. Hello Star Cinema po.
Thank you rin.
Basta gusto niyo madami pa akong song sa album. Magdalo na.
Thank you.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you, Biggs! And now, give it up for the entertainment editor of Manila Standard, Nikki Wang!
Saan ba? Tama ba ako?
Okay, dahil sobrang daming mga friends natin from the media na pumunta para sa event.
Thank you po.
Medyo masikip tayo today.
Thank you so much.
Hello, Ben.
Hello po. Thank you so much for being here.
First of all, congratulations. I understand the bride na mag-March na, pero alam namin you had a fruitful 2025. And now, ito, pinapasok mo ang mundo ng musika. Are there things that you'd like to manifest in your music career this year?
Siguro to be able to put more songs. Nasulat ko po. Gusto kong makapagsulat ng kanta. Sana talaga. Feeling ko I just really have to have that time talaga to just write and think. Kasi syempre, once you put it out there, it's out there na. Plus, syempre, I want to put good music po.
And this year?
Ay!
Is it in the pipeline?
Sana po. Wait, I mean, I haven't spoken to the team, but let's see. Let's see po.
Last one, like, if there's a song that can encapsulate what they're feeling right now, what song is it?
Sa album po.
It can be sa album, it can be from anyone.
Oh. Sa album na lang, lahat ng songs. Lahat ng songs sa album. Nowhere Now Here. Ayan. Parang, like, I feel like I'm here because of him, because of God, and I wouldn't be here without him. Pintuan din. Naganda kasi, as in, piling ko po lahat ng kanta sa album.
Well, on that note, can you give us a parang
Hindi ko alam kung anong nararamdaman ko, syempre, very thankful, pero syempre, I'm continuously doing my best to earn that title. Syempre, di ba? So, thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta. And I will do my best. I will do my best to prove that I'm deserving of that title. Ayun po. Nakakaya naman. Nakakaya naman yun.
No, pero syempre deserve ni Belle Mariano, ang Gen Z superstar. Okay, now let's go to the next question. What are your music goals for 2026? So, nasabi mo na kanina na gusto mo magsulat pa, di ba? Ano pa ang mga music goals mo? Grammy, ganyan.
Why not? Syempre, for my music to be recognized more, syempre. Ganda kasi yung mga writers, yung mga composers ng song, ng music na nirelease ko sa album. As in, puno ng puso yung album. So I feel like they deserve to be recognized more.
Collab, aside from Olivia, local. Sino gusto mo mga collab?
Cup of Joe.
Cup of Joe, yeah. Dami. Ang dami. Top of my head, Cup of Joe.
Cup of Joe. Ano favorite mong Cup of Joe song? Bakit gusto mo sila
Ang ganda ng feels nila. Ang ganda nung pati never pa ako nagkaganon type of collab. Bini too. Oh, yeah!
Ikaw yung sasayaw, gano'n?
Why not? Joke lang. Bini. Cute, diba? Nakaka-LSS din yung music nila.
Okay, Beanie and Cup of Joe.
Yes.
Okay, now let's go to our next question. Can you share your story about, your dream house? By the way, congratulations din sa yung dream house. Sobrang ganda.
Sa house, grabe yun, syempre, whenever I go home, parang sobrang, kahit pagod ka na whole day, parang ang sarap na nakakauwi ako sa house na yun, and I'm just so grateful for it. As in, it really feels like home. And what's so nice about it is, parang every area may sariling theme. Kasi syempre, 5 kami magkakapatid. So parang yung mga kapatid ko, may sarili silang mood sa kwarto nila. Parang may mood board sila sa Pinterest, gano'n. So parang iba-iba yung feel niya every room, which is so nice. Kasi parang it makes it home.
Binigyan mo pa sila ng ganun choice. Like, sila yung
Yeah, of course, it's their room. So, syempre sila yun. So, ang ganda lang. Like, yung brother ko, mahilig sa football, ganyan. So, room niya talaga, alam mo na yung itsura. Tapos yung sister ko naman isa, like, favorite color niya pink. So, very siya.
Yung sa'yo, ano yung theme nung sa'yo?
Very earth tones. I like earth tones. It makes me relax. So parang gusto ko kasi whenever I enter my room, parang gusto kong makapag-rest ako agad. So very earth tones, very beige. Ayan. Para if ever ibahin ko man yung itsura niya in the future, pwede ko yung
madali.
Diba? Very madali siyang maliit.
Yes. Kung meron kang favorite spot in your whole house, what would it be?
We have this room sa bahay, parang nandun yung TV. Tapos doon kaming lahat ng siblings ko. Favorite spot ko siya na. I usually say banyo ko din. Mahilig yan, totoo. Kasi sobrang tinutukan ko yung banyo ko. Like sabi ko, parang gusto ko may tub na maayos, maganda, gano'n. So, ayun. And yung TV area namin kasi that's the area where my family and I usually hang out. So, very cozy.
Cozy, common area for everyone. Okay. Thank you so much. Ito naman ang ating next question. After the success of Meet, Greet, and Buy, again, palakpakan guys, Meet, Greet, and Buy.
Number 1 sa Netflix.
Which is now on Netflix.
So
Yes.
much.
Do you see yourself doing more drama or family movies?
Yes, why not? Syempre, parang, like, I'm all for learning. I wanna learn more sa acting. So hopefully in the future, we get to put more stories like that. Diba?
And sino raw ang gusto mong makasama, if ever, sa... Kasi, syempre, nakasama mo na ang mga bigating actors.
I know, grabe. Wow.
Marcel Soriano.
Judy Ann.
Judy Ann. Yes.
Sino pa ba? Ang dami kasi
So,
parang
you
lahat
work
ng-
with Miss Judy Ann?
No. Sana in the future, but you know, I wanna work with, kasi I feel like everyone I work with, I learn from them. So, I wanna work with everyone. Yes.
Judy Ann Santos kung nanonood po kayo. Gusto po kayo mga talagang Miss Bel Mariano. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's go to our next question. Miss Janice Navida, Entertainment Editor of Bulgar.
Ang cute nung ano niyo.
I
Ah,
love
diba?
Sally Beach.
Kaya naman, ang mo na yan, ang kagaya-gala.
Anyway, Belle, I just want to ask kasi, di ba, yung mga kasabayan mo, some choose to go sexy. Ikaw, I wanna know, why did you choose to take this path, yung music, i-pursue yung music, rather than go sexy?
Well, ever since po kasi, I feel like my heart is really drawn to music. Since I grew up nga po listening to video okay, and I used to sing. Like, I remember whenever I sing, naalala ko yung lolo ko. So parang, kasi kaming dalawa lagi magka-jabbing sa video okay. So parang it's not just my dream, I'm also pursuing his dream. So that's why I chose this direction, because it's really in my heart po.
Pero if given a chance to play the role of Jezebel, since ang name is Belle, willing ka ba?
Jessica Bell! Oo nga naman, Bell.
Grabe naman! Wow, Annabelle. Why not? If ever, why not po? You know, my doors are always open. Kaya nga nakatang pintuan. Kung ano para sa'yo, magbubukas po yung pinto yun.
Mahilig ka ba mag-swimming?
Yes! Yeah, kaya ko mag-swimming.
Kaya?
Kaya ko mag-swimming.
Jezebel.
Hindi
Parang may gusto siya sabihin, pero
Hindi ko alam. Eh, parang, syempre, that role is it's really known. So, syempre, if ever sa akin mapunta, syempre, I'll be thankful for it. And I will do my best to give justice to the role po.
willing kang mag-topless.
Topless? Uy, Wait, medyo naman topless yun. May shells na yun.
Si Jezebel.
May shells naman siya.
Pero yun, willing ka mag-shells.
I'll know po once it's there.
CGI na lang.
AI? Hindi, why not? I mean, if it's really for me, syempre, and I feel like I'm the type of actor naman that will give my all to the role.
Ayan. And when it comes to music, syempre nakagawa ka na ng album. Narinig na ba ni Donnie itong mga songs mo?
Yes! Nasa ano siya ngayon eh?
Grabe
Sa
yung
ibang
ano.
bansa siya ngayon eh. So, siguro pagbalik niya, papaalam ko sa kanya, But he knows about the album.
May somehow ba may fear? Kasi ano siya, di ba, naging judge siya ng Pilipinas Got Talent.
Audition!
Audition. It's a yes or no.
Hindi naman. You know, he's, what I like about him, he's very thoughtful and if he has comments, super well thought of talaga. So he's very insightful.
Kumakanta rin si Donnie, right?
Yes.
So, walang chance na mag-duet kayo sa next,
Well, so far, wala pa po kaming napag-usapan. But maybe po, in the future, we can do a collaboration.
Sa mood.
Sa movie, di ba? Sige po, sabihin.
and project together, wala pa rin plano.
Saan?
Project together.
We actually have po, tayo sa wakas. Yes po.
Yung movie?
Yes po, yes.
Upcoming. Okay, good luck.
Thank you so much po.
Okay, good luck from online also. Thank you so much, Miss Janice. Netizens are excited for your movie comeback. Ito na, speaking of movie comeback with Donnie. What type of Don Bell will people expect from this movie? Okay, sige, simulan na natin yung pag-dive sa tayo sa wakas. We've all seen the trailer. Na sobrang ganda. Di ba tayo sa trailer? How was it like returning to your past characters? Kasi binuhay niyo ulit. Sinabing going Caroline and everyone. Kamusta yung experience na yun?
That's actually of the movie announcement that we're gonna do a comeback project together. Alam mo, nakakatawa. Kasya pa sa akin yung uniform ko.
Listen to her.
Ayun talaga yung una kong impression. Sabi ko, oh my God. Even Donnie was like, kasya kasi yung ano mo. As in, eksakto. Parang walang Pero parang time na yun, syempre nag-flashback lahat, you know. Donnie and I nga sinasabi namin na parang, grabe no, like, ang dami na nating nagawang project and we're just so excited for this new chapter. And as in, sobrang nakakakaba and excite, syempre.
May iba ka ba pwede i-kwento sa amin bukod dun sa uniform? Like, ano ba yung mga fun na memories shooting that movie announcement?
Our supporters are actually involved. Yes, kasama sila yung students, mga klase namin. Magaling, no? And this idea is by Donnie. As in, siya yung I remember, he called me, sinabi niya sa akin, hey, I have an idea, how we gonna announce the movie? More emotional, mas puno ng emosyon, and feeling ko sobrang challenge ako sa role na to. But I'm excited for that challenge.
Mapanakit ba?
But just to clarify, yung may nagtanong kasi kung mapanakit ba?
Ano siya, madami kayo matututunan. Ayun. Natatakot ako magsalita. Nung pinitch kasi sa akin, may jaw drop moment ako na, what? Ganon.
Ay, ganon.
Yes. So yun na po pwede ko sabihin.
Pero yung eksena dun sa car, hindi siya part ng movie. Hi! Hindi sure.
It was shot
No, but it was shot specifically for the announcement.
Yes.
Ayan.
Yes. I mean, at least there, you can see a gist of our characters.
Okay.
And the maturity at least. Because we tackle so many emotions in this movie.
Yes. Sorry po sa manager niya. At the end, na manager ko rin. Nalalagay ko po siya sa alanganin. Wait lang. Okay, nasa US. Okay. What role did you play that made an impact in your career as an artist? Okay. So, ano na to? After tayo sa wakas. Wait, end na ba natin yung tayo sa wakas doon? May mga gusto ko pa bang i-share? Gusto tayo sa wakas?
Well, abangan nila. This coming May. May na siya. So,
Sa May po.
super excited.
Okay.
And it's directed by Direk Cathy. Yes!
You're Cathy Garcia Sapana.
Yes.
Nakawork na natin. Okay, ano po yung tanong ulit? What
Project made the impact.
what project made an impact in your career for you?
Parang every role I do makes an impact on my personality and who I am. But I feel like the first ever lead that I did, which is He's Into Her, that really made an impact sa career ko.
Nagbago no?
Parang,
bigla.
syempre parang it was my first lead role, and I've been praying for it for the longest time. Sana magka-lead role ako. And naramdaman ko na parang, oh my gosh, syempre pressure first lead role. Pero I was just so happy and grateful.
And it came at such a very unexpected time kasi pandemya yun,
Yes.
diba? So grabe talaga yung struggles nun. Tapos
Yes.
sobrang, light amidst the darkness, yung He's Into Her na project. Iba talaga yung project na yun.
Yes.
Okay, ngayon naman, let's hear from our friend from the media. Give it up for Tin Bailon of Pep.PA!
Hello po.
Ayan. Lately kasi parang nagkakaroon kayo ng project ni Donnie na magkahiwalay. Nanibago ka ba? Hindi kasama si Donnie.
Yes! Nung una, alam mo, nag-usap kami isang beses po ni Donnie. Sabi ko, kinakabahan ako, hindi kita ka-work. Siyempre kasi meron na kaming, tawag doon, dynamics together. Pero I feel like it was very much needed since he's doing Roja and I'm doing Meet, Greet, and Buy for this movie. Parang it allowed us to grow more. So, and parang mas makikita mo yung maturity. Syempre, time, yung parang mas nag-grow kami. So, hopefully, yung movie na to, mas mabigyan ng justice yung story and yung characters po.
Pag-uusapan niyo to yun na kunyari si Donnie, may magkaroon siya ng ibang kapartner kunyari sa Roja. Tapos ikaw, sa ibang project.
Well, kasi we're very open naman to, we've spoken about showing support as long as it's for the growth of each other. So, whether that's working with each other or with someone else or apart, as long as the other person grows, and that's what I love about us, is that we're really supportive of each other and we're very open about it.
Dito tayo sa wakas, meron ka bang nakita kakaiba sa isang Donnie Pangilinan? Kasi 2025 last year pa yung last nyo nito.
Sorry po.
So, meron ka bang bagong nakita kay Donnie?
Sa tayo sa wakas?
Tayo sa wakas.
Di ba kami nagsishoot? Teaser pa lang. Pero now, nakikita ko yung, alam mo, I feel with Donnie kasi all the more I work with him, I can see more how dedicated he is with his work. Kitang-kita mo yung puso tuwing nagtatrabaho siya. Even up to that teaser, talaga he was so hands-on, and he never fails to surprise me and us actually. Sa mga ideas niya, he never runs out of ideas. He's the most spontaneous person you know. And syempre parang naging blessing siya for me at blessing sa lahat ng supporters namin.
Thank you, Bella.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much. And now let's go to our next question. Do you also see yourself venturing into theater? So context, kanina kasi yung mga guests. Yes, theater artists. So feeling ko doon galing yan. So do you see yourself in theater?
Why not? Pero feeling ko iba yung challenge sa theater, no? Iba kasi siya, kasi pag sa movie, pwede ka hindi pwede. I mean, syempre gagawin mo yung best mo, pero if you ever fall, may take two. Dito kasi one take, diba? So, syempre, one long take.
Super long take.
Feeling ko it takes so much courage and sobrang napapahanga talaga ako sa mga nagte-theater. Grabe yung dedication nila. Talagang imagine how long would you rehearse that just so you could pull off the entire story. So sobrang napahanga. Why not? Like, I think I'm up for that challenge, I would say.
Tsaka syempre iba yung meron ka ng acting and singing experience.
Yes.
Yung talaga yung kailangan sa theaters. Tsaka may dancing din ako. May choreography. Kaya-kaya mo. Parang yung kita namin sa asa.
Dami workshop pa.
Yeah. Talagang hindi ka ng triple threat, quadruple threat. What made you smile today?
Yung song ko, kanina, nung natapos ko siya, parang, oh my gosh, ayun, my song, and the album, and you guys.
Thank you. Okay, guys, binabasa talaga namin yung comments yun, tsaka questions. Keep them coming, tsaka user hashtag Star Magic Spotlight Presscon. Oo. So, ito
Sinusulat
naman,
mo.
basahin pa natin yung ibang mga...
Sinusulat pa yun.
Sabi nga ni Fer15W, I just smiled while watching you, Belle. Your vibes are good. So ito yung patunay na hindi lang dito nag-exude yung positive aura mo, kahit across the screen. Ito naman sabi, online, do you see yourself doing bida or kontrabida roles?
That's my dream role.
Bida kontrabida pala, bida kontrabida.
That's my dream role. As of now, that's my dream role. Na parang I never... Kasi feeling ko iba yung challenge nun, di ba? Parang you're playing dalawang characters. Siyempre, grabe yung challenge na yun. Pero ay dream role ko yan.
Sino raw ang peg?
Alam niyo yung, actually, hindi nga, yung Anna.
Annabelle?
Kontrabida si Annabelle, pero kontrabida siya.
Pero ano siya, with gano'n.
May sense yun, Vince.
Pwede naman yun.
Tapos Belle pa, no?
Si Anna, I don't know. Tama ba yun?
Okay, ano yung character niya na? Sige.
She portrays different types of roles and characters. So, ang ganda.
Kontrabida, di ba?
Or like, hindi ko alam parang siguro basta a good story that, really may push and pull.
Ready na ba tayo makitang magmaldita si Belle?
Like, hindi kami prepare. Kaya, hindi ko alam pa. Like, syempre, gusto ko aralin and if ever mabigay man, I'm up for it.
Oh, challenge it out of your comfort zone.
Dream role ko be the contributor.
Thank you. Okay, now, let's go to our next questions. Okay, so sa mga nanonood po sa amin online, keep your questions coming. Ito naman, doon tayo sa next nating question. How do you think is the art of making music different from the art of acting? How do you approach both?
Sorry, natatawa pa lang saan.
Winner, di ba?
Music and acting, it's the same in the sense that you share your emotions. Pero kasi pag acting, parang you have to fill in someone's shoes.
Yeah.
Diba? Pag sa music kasi, you make your shoes. I mean, parang you have that freedom kung saan mo dadalhin yung story. Kasi pag acting, alam mo na kung saan ka dadalhin. Pag writing or making music, it's up to you kung ano yung gusto mong ending.
Carve your own path.
Yes.
Yes.
Ayun.
Okay, thank you.
Stop recording.
Now, dito naman tayo sa isang question also from our online viewers. Don Bell has been going strong for 5 years now. What can you say to Donnie and to your Don Bell fans?
To Donnie, well, thank you. You know, he's so supportive. He really is. And I wouldn't be here without him, you know? So I'm very grateful for him and to our supporters. Grabe yung suporta nila. Like, after 5 years, they're there and they've been, parang hindi namin sila supporters, parang pamilya namin sila. And nakakatuwa, like, whenever I attend, like, anniversary ng fandom or ano, nakakatuwa na they're more than just supporters. They're actually friends with one another. They've created that environment with one another na parang magkakaibigan sila. So, nakakatuwa seeing that and we love you, we love you.
Well, sana kinilig din ang mga Don Bell fans, Don Bell supporters na nanonood ngayon. Kami sobrang kinilig kami na una sa lahat, kumanta ka. Tapos, ito pa nga, syempre nag-share ka ng live mo sa amin. So, thank you so much, Mel. So, before we let you go, please invite everyone to listen to your album and abangan ang Tayo sa Wakas.
Yes! Hello! Ayun po! Hello, guys! Please, first of all, thank you so much po. Thank you to our media and our press. Thank you so much. Thank you, dear Ate Ai. Thank you so much. My Star Magic family, thank you. And to everyone that's watching us right now, thank you so much for tuning in. And please stream my album titled Like You. Available na po yan on all digital streaming platforms. And abangan niyo po ang upcoming movie namin, comeback movie ni Donnie Pangilinan, Tayo sa Wakas.
Yay! Thank you so much for being with us kahit sa sobrang busy ko. Salamat. So sa lahat po ng mga nanonood ngayon, abangan po natin ang Tayo sa Wakas at Street Like You by
Ang daming nakarin.
our Gen Z superstar. Thank you very much for joining us once again. This has been Star Magic Spotlight Prescott. I'm Ai de la Cruz and thank you very much to our special guest for today, our Gen Z superstar, Bel Mariano.
Biggs, umalis ka daw, Biggs.
Dito ko, natawa ko. Ano, yung